race 3, the A2 class Group A and B, 62 to 72 unmodified. On pole position there we have Jack Inwood there on the bike number 387, 530, sitting next to him in the white leathers. Well, they used to be white about 30 years ago. A bit of a dirty white. Darcy Davey, Josh Wallen there, and number 20, Kobe Osborne there with the blue check shirt on there, and 210 is Ethan Gord. That's the front row of the grid. We go to row 2 there. This is how they qualified. It's all about safety. Obviously, it's to get the fastest bike at the front of the thing, grid. So you've got them getting away safely and securely. Also, it's a bit of a reward there for qualifying well as well, with Jack Inwood there on pole position on the inside. Still a couple of bikes to start. We've got the purple bike, I think, number 21 there on about the third row. That possibly is Jasmine Poynton there. That bike is it going yet at this stage? Sometimes you can see a puff of smoke there. There's still two on the back row there, as well as one on the infield there. Hello, got a jump starter. Oh, I don't know what the rules are here, but MNZ rules say that's a 20-second penalty. I'm not too sure what the rules are here, and as he went back, he's stalled there. So I'll have to check up on what the rules are for this weekend. There's a certain time they're all off there. Well, no, they're not all off. This is quite entertaining. 2, 4, 6, 7 of them being left there at the background, and trying to work out who's who in terms of colours. I can see Darcy Davey there with what I mentioned as those white leathers. He's in about 6th or 7th position. These are, what is it? Is it a 3-lap race? Laps to go? No, it's just a 2-lap race. There is a mixture of 2 and 3-lap races there. They go into turn 1, and already that's a huge lead there, considering the speed differentials of the bike. Speed, maybe not the right term. Yeah, of course it all is. It's all relative. It's obviously the slowest bikes I've ever commentated for. But in saying that, it's certainly very, very entertaining what's out there. But that bike out in the front there, that's got about 45 metres in that. And that's come from, I wouldn't say nowhere. I would suspect that's Jack Inwood there. I've written them down. I'm starting to write down the colours of the people and trying to recognise them. But I would say that's Jack Inwood there. Look at a red flag situation. A red flag situation. Is that because we've got too many bikes there on the grid? And they're going to be called in, or we've got some down the middle of the straight. There's 3 down the middle straight. So the red flag situation, we'll have to see what happens here. Do they go back to pit lane, or do they come along the main straight? Come along the main straight. Should have been a rider's briefing, shouldn't I, to hear what the rules were. I must get a copy of the rules up here. That'll be quite interesting to have a look at. But the red flag is out, and the bike should be slowing up a little bit more than that, because just remember, you need to indicate to the people behind you you are slowing down. We'll sort it out. Put some music back on, folks.